Hey guys, and welcome back to a Escape from Tarkov video. And on this glorious day, it is now the wipe day, and everything is basically the same old stuff. So, obviously, with the wipe, it's every so-called 6-7 months. Is to make way for like new expansions, like in this one. Is a new expansion for Factory, which we'll see on the offline mode. So let's see what they've changed. So obviously here we've got two factions. We've got USEC, which is American and NATO, and the Bears, which are Russian. So I'm going to pick the Bears because I prefer the Bears over the USEC. So let's crack on. And now, if you haven't played this before, you wouldn't be able to do all this, but they've changed everything now. So obviously it's still a work in progress. This has been in beta since 2017. Duh. That sounds more like it. So obviously I upgraded to the Edge of Dark edition. A bigger stash and stuff like that. So as we continue going through, 20 years later, yeah. Also, my PC is almost done. So obviously they've changed the new layout now. You've got a security camera. It's all good. Look at the handbook. Get rid of that. Click on that. So here's the character. Wait. So I've got everything installed already for me. Wow, it's a lot of stuff. I've got my gamma. We've got this baby. Oh yeah. Headset. I'm not really a big fan of headsets, I'll be honest. So let's see what we've got. We've obviously got a can of fuel. These, another fuel. This is a big med pack. It's got meds, got surgical kits, more meds, food, drink. Very big bag. Very nice one. Nice chest piece. One axe. We get rid of that one. And then we just stick the axe wherever it was. So obviously they've changed this as it actually comes up rubles, USD and EU, which is a good thing. So you've got box standard stuff here. You've got PP19, which is always a good one. You've got SV, sorry. Shotgun. Yeah, box standard stuff really. We've got sights and everything. Can we just do that on? Oh, wrong bit. So obviously we have to get this out. So because we can't put them in once they're in there. So let's inspect it. Ah, RPK, which is this one. Can't put it on. It's all right. We'll do. We'll survive. So it's crack, unload ammo, PP, good ammo. Apparently it's good ammo. Obviously early wipe. So look, they're all the same old. Yeah, same old. What else? You got all this tuna and stuff. So obviously you gotta do that later. Got all the headsets. Got quite a lot of good things. So a bit of a bonus to that. I just don't like the hats. So let's go to the traders. See what's changed there. So everyone's level 1 apart from Jaeger. You have to unlock him. So now we're going to have a look at the tasks. Debut. So obviously kill 5 scouts at customs, hand over 2 MP113 shotguns. Easy doable. Obviously what tasks are here. Shortage. Find or craft 3 of these medkits. Which basically crafting would be a lot easier sometimes. But it depends on your playstyle. Nothing from him. No. Nothing from him. But also with all this here, you can just start examining it. Easy XP. So what task we got here? Nothing. Oh yeah, lot of that XP. Mechanic, anything from mechanic. Level 2. It's always good to check everything like that. So you got a bit of an understanding of what you're going to do once you get to a certain level. So, any tasks here? Show locked, level 15. Okay, so we have to get to level 15 for that. So show locked, level 5 for supplier. Anything else? Nope, just that one for now. Oh, damn it, done it again. Oh. And of course, same here. So kill 5 scavs, basically, just box tanking. So now, as you see here at the moment, you have to be level 20 to go to the character. You have to go to the flea market, which is a good thing because it was actually 10, but it sort of like makes it a bit easier on the actual character. So what else have they changed here now? Let's go into settings. So you got certain phrases now. So obviously here you can just put different phrases to F1 all the way to different things really. Oh, what's this? Oh. Yeah, someone who messaged me in the previous wipe. Oh, that one's on. Cool. So obviously nothing's changed there. Nothing there. Yeah, well, it's box standard really. So let's have a look at the hideout. Now obviously with each wipe sometimes they change it in game with the hideout, so you need certain things, so I would always look in the hideout now. And obviously I've already got 2 things ready, so to get that done. Now I can see what I need next, so I can work on that. The battery, obviously that. So now I know what I've got to get for the next upgrade for that one. So obviously doing this here, done, level 2. What do I need? 14 light bulbs and 5 wires. Nice. What do I need for med station? So I've got the money. RAM? Nope. I need syringe and medication. You can get that anywhere really. What on heating? Box of matches. Rest. What do we need here? Examine. Need duct tape. Okay, cool. I already got stash 4, so I'm alright with that. Stash. Need a toilet paper. 1 toilet paper, 1 of that, and 1 of these. Soap to get my lavatory unlocked. And obviously at the workbench, what do we need here? Need 1 of them. Well, I might have to get that later. Them 2 is easy. So obviously the best way I look at it is if you scav more. Sometimes when you scav, so then you've got a rough idea and pick your things up. So yeah, that's about it really. So they've changed just the layout. I haven't really changed much. You got there, no maps, your skills, your health at the moment, what you're wearing, overall, this, that and the other. Anyway, I want to say thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this mini little look about on Escape from Tarkov. And yeah, bye, have a good time.